fam, welcome back to another week of house hunting with Rochielin. Thank you so much for being here. Today we are viewing a 2-bedroom unit in Red Hills in St. Andrew, Jamaica. Realtor Sandra Forbes will be taking us around and showing us what this place has to offer. But let me tell you, we are on the hill, so it has an excellent view overlooking all of Kingston. So that's something that you definitely have to see. Before we continue, remember to like, comment, share, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter at Rochielin. And importantly, remember to subscribe. Press that red subscribe button just below this video. Thank you so much, and let's get into the video. Let's go. Let's go. Alright, so going in, we're gonna go find Sandra. We are here. Sandra.
Hi, how you doing?
We're good.
Coming to my new place for rent this morning.
Okay.
Got up early, traveled up the hill. And we're on the top of Red Hills.
Yes, we are.
And there's a beautiful rental up this side waiting on you. So look at the kitchen. Relatively new, it's clean, lots of cupboard space, lots of drawers, big space, nice kitchen.
So before we go, it's 2 bedrooms, right?
It's 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a huge living and kitchen.
Yeah. This is a pretty decent size.
Yes, it's.
So this is the living area.
So this is your living. You could put a dining table there, or you do it however you want. There's a lot of space. And we don't usually see rentals with a lot of space. This is actually a part of somebody's home. So.
But it's a big home. It's like split up in different.
It's actually 3 levels.
Yeah.
So this section here is for rent.
Gotcha.
So it's a very big home.
Okay.
So you want us to go into one of the bedrooms?
Sure, that'd be useful.
One of the bedrooms. Each bedroom has their own bath. And look at the closet space. It's nice, not sure?
Yeah. Let's try to open it.
Lots of closet, lots of storage. Good space.
That is huge.
You have bars on the window. But you also have a little backyard. There's extra water. It's a storage tank, 2 storage tanks up the top, just in case we run out of water. And she does have mesh on the windows for those of you who are scared of lizards and insects.
I want to measure the room real quick.
Okay.
11 by 12, so it's almost a 12 by 12.
Good sign.
Pretty much, because give or take a few inches with the phone. So it's about a 12 by 12 feet room.
This is your bathroom. Now it doesn't have a shower, Rochielin, so you cannot go into the tub and pretend that you want to measure the space.
Okay.
So it is a tub.
Okay. Got you. It's a tub. It's not a shower. Yeah, it's a pretty decent sized bathroom. I mean, the bathtub could use a little work.
Yes, it will all be cleaned up properly, thoroughly.
Yeah.
For the tenant who is coming.
Okay. Gotcha. So it's bedroom with a closet and a bathroom. Okay.
So we're coming to the other bedroom now. Similar thing. Closet is a little smaller.
This bedroom feels a little smaller also.
It's a little smaller. So let's use your handy dandy measuring tool.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7.5 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
It's 11 by 11 feet, 9 inches.
Close. Folks, even when you're wrong, you must say it's close. All right, it's another big bedroom. The view not bad either. You're looking outside, and there's a big breadfruit tree.
You know, I thought and banana trees.
It's actually on the property. So what the owner says is that when she picks stuff from the property, she shares it up.
That's nice.
So everybody gets a chance to eat off the trees.
And then the bathroom.
Another full bathroom.
This tub is a lot bigger than the other.
Yes, it looks. This bathroom has been
newer.
Freshly. Yes, it has been updated and upgraded somewhat. But it's another full bathroom with bath, toilet, and your shower curtain.
can actually reach
You have to put up your shower curtain.
Yeah.
So I would say it's enough space. If you had a family of 4, it's good.
What's around here?
Oh, we didn't come around here. So here's another room. It's your wash area. So the 2 wash tubs, and she has a water heater in the corner. And then you have all this space again.
Indoor laundry, amazing.
Yes, and you can actually put your washing machine there if you want to. Right? Can fit right there. And she actually created a little drying line.
Where?
Right here.
Oh.
She has lines downstairs, you know, but let's say you do a little quick thing.
Gotcha.
You can hang clothes here. And there's a lot of fresh air coming in, so your clothes will get some sun and breeze. But there's a drying line outstairs. So, you know, sometimes you have something you squish at night time and you want it early in the morning.
Or you just don't want to go outside at all.
Or you just don't want to go outside.
Like myself, yeah?
Okay, like rochielin.
Yeah. And it has the standard size for the stove.
Oh, there's an extra storeroom here. So let's say you could put your
accoutrements.
It's storage, so your broom and your mop, or if you wanted to, I guess, use it as like a pantry or something. You could maybe put some shelves in there and it acts as a pantry.
All right, Sandra. So the main question is, what's the cost?
This is 90,000 per month. Jamaican dollars, 2 bedroom, 2 bathroom space. So that's the cost. You're on top of the hill, so you get the views. It's a little drive up Red Hills Road, but it's not that far.
It's
about 5 minutes from the foot of the hill, right? So it's not that far. Again, it's almost like a half of a, well, I wouldn't say a half of a house. I wouldn't even say a quarter, because the house is big. It's almost like an apartment in a house.
Yeah, so it's a house that's been split up to accommodate several families.
Right.
Let's say that. And we'll show you what that looks like shortly.
But the owner actually occupies quite a bit of the house and stuff. So
things to note. You're on the hill, you have an excellent view. It's a bit of a drive up the hill, but it's not too bad. It's about 5 minutes up the hill. Right? 2, the owner lives on property. So take that in mind, take that in consideration when you're making a decision if you're comfortable with living with the owner or not.
It's an elderly couple. Okay. We just met the wife this morning.
Awesome. So you decided that. The space is big, it's clean.
Yes.
And the air is fresh and nice. Let me tell you that because you're on the hill. So keep that in mind. And you decide. And you know, if you're interested, by now you know what to do. Sandra's detail will be in the description bar below, so you can definitely reach out to her directly and she'll set up a viewing for you, and then you guys can take it from there. Now we're gonna go on the outside and show you what the outside looks like. Let's go. You know, you have lots of yard space, by the way, but you also have views upon views. I don't know if you guys will see it from the camera, but you can always come down and look out. You have views of the trees right here, but views of Kingston over there in the distance. And then you have neighbors around, lots of greenery, trees, you know. So that's good, and it's fairly quiet. Actually, it's very quiet, not even fairly.
What is this? Aki?
It looks like apple.
Oh, it's apple?
Looks like ought to eat it apple.
Okay.
Sister girl know 1 and 2 things.
That means
all these country vloggings me I go from, I must know 2, 3 by now.
Alright, what's that?
Alright, you push it now.
Alright, that's just a tree. How about that?
I don't know what that is. But this is what the back side of the yard looks like.
And there's another drying area here. Remember we spoke about that?
Oh yeah.
So the drying area is here.
Area, I I say clothesline.
Clothesline.
Over here.
And the land goes all the way back.
But up here is cool to
Yes,
sit
it
down
is.
and relax, huh? This is breadfruit tree. I know that.
Because you see the breadfruit on it, why you know.
Which breadfruit? Oh, me just see it. No,
Eh?
the leaf,
See?
me know.
The fruit, give it away.
The leaf.
Well, it's nice, it's cool. It's another space.
Yeah. But another few key things to note. The owner, landlord, they're looking for specifics.
Yes.
They have some requirements. What are these
Let me
requirements?
go. It's, as we mentioned earlier, it's a elderly couple that owns a place. So she's looking for somebody who is quiet. She doesn't want any noise, loud music, drinking, smoking, that kind of tenant. Because it's a quiet environment, and I guess she wants to maintain that quiet and serenity and that sort of thing. There's no pets also.
Okay, so
So
no
if you-
pets, no drinking, no smoking, no loud music,
Thank you. No,
No.
loud noise.
no bagga bagga.
No bagga bagga. So if you fit into that group, me try find you something else. So I won't throw them away, I'll find you something else. But for here, that is what she's asking for.
All right, so there you have
Okay.
it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you are the right person or right tenant for this property, then reach out to Sandra, whose details are found below. Thank you so much for being here. Remember to like, leave a comment below, let me know your thoughts. Send me your thoughts on everything. Let's chat in the comment section below. Remember to share this video with someone who you think may be in the market looking for something, who could use the help, you know, because we're all here to help each other. So share the video and subscribe. Subscribing is how you help me the most. This is how you help me to help you and to
Subscribe.
continue providing these videos. So just press the subscribe button. It is free of cost to you. It costs you nothing at all, but it helps me to keep helping you. So please do. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video.
Bye-bye.